cold front passing through the area on Thursday will produce a period of rain showers and possibly a rumble of thunder. Cool and dry conditions will follow for Friday through Sunday. Conditions. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information.
Well,
This
there
NOAA
you
weather
have it.
radio station is temporarily off the air.
That has never happened.
Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest.
Oops, hang on. I'm sorry that happened. That was kind of unexpected. We'll have to, maybe we can get K29. K29 is still running, so I'll come back when they do it. Okay, so they came back.
South winds 10 to 15 miles.
But I don't know if they're gonna do the test again or not. But I'm gonna switch to KH29, and I will come back until they do their test. So catch you later.